What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. I haven't been on this for a very long time. I've got no excuses at all, so I'm not actually going to go deep down into it. All I do is apologize, but I am back again, and this is going to be a massive transformation. I've been waiting a long time for this to come, so now the time's perfect. Summer's here. Let's get this car going. So yeah, so I do apologize, I haven't been active, but at the end of the day, I'm back. Let's get it. So yeah, so today, as you can see, I bought a package, so a full package from enquires. It's all a I think it's like a low line kit for splitters. I saw the pictures and the backgrounds and people having it and the reviews, and they're great, so I thought I'll get some to be different. The delivery was fast, I couldn't lie that it was fast. It's definitely, we'll definitely get further into the video and actually see what they look like, and yeah, let's see what they look like. Let's get straight to it. But first we got to jack the car up, and I don't have a proper jack, so I'm going to take a little bit longer. But it is what it is. Let's get it going. Right, what you see here, make sure you obviously read what it says. Yeah, you've got to take I think it's about 6 screws, and so you can put your hand through in, so when you put the bolts in, you can bolt it up. Obviously, we was trying to do it quick as we possibly could, but because it was too hot, and it was absolutely crazy. But yeah, so guys, if you go do this, make sure you don't do this in the heat. It's ridiculous. It takes too long. But yeah, no, obviously that was the procedure, and you just follow it the whole way around, and it was that basically. And then we went to the side skirt, see how it looked, and this is what it looked like, and it was just a little demo type thing. These are great quality. It's crazy to think I bought the cheapest low line kit and it still looks amazing. So this is the side, that's the first side getting done. We just wanted to know what guys, as you can see, obviously with that day on the Saturday, it was actually so hot to the point that we actually physically, when I was trying to record, my phone come up with a temperature, and I had to put it in the car and let it cool down. It was also sweating. Then my boy Ross was burnt. It was quite a lot of stuff, but what happened is obviously we're using 6 screws that they requested for us. So we just put 6 on the side, we jacked it up as quick as we could, and this is the outcome of what it looks like. It was actually great. I thought it would take longer than I expected. It was much quicker than my Fiesta was. But as you can see, the detail is absolutely mint, and I do highly recommend these. Guys, that is the end of the video. As you can see, it was so hot I couldn't actually physically record. I've tried finding some shade, even and it was still overheating, so when it was recording, the phone gets hot as well, so it wasn't doing anything justice. So I tried to possibly to get much footage as possible, but it just weren't ending well. But yeah, other than that, from what I've bought, so from an enquires, if you just type in Google, go enquires, the full kit's £200. It's probably by far the best thing I bought. Even though it's the cheapest, there's people out there buying like the whole splitters and that for like 500 quid. And you're saving yourself £300 for it to look the same. Personally, I can't see a difference. If I'll be truthful honest, I wouldn't have bought it if it looked crap. But I've looked at it, I'm looking at it now, and it absolutely looks mint. So if I was you guys, to save yourself £300 and stuff like that, I would go over to there. Fast shipping, cheap, it looks good. Just everyone's jackpot there basically. So if I was you lot, I would definitely, if you really wanted anything, even if you're just looking for rear splats, or if you're just looking for a front splitter because your one's damaged, etc., go over to enquires, and trust me, it's great quality. I won't tell you to go there if it was bad. But yes, other than that, this is the transformation on the BMW M135i. I'm glad I've got that bit done. As you can see, I don't know if you're new to this channel, but with my Fiesta, I can't remember what I've done first, but I know full well that I've got the splitters done quite quickly. Whereas these, I didn't, because I saw the prices and stuff like that, and I was thinking, £500 just for, or that, nearly that price just for splitters. That's just crazy, absolutely crazy. But I found the right move, and yeah, that was it. About £200 odd for that, plus you've got all the kit. So you've actually got the low line kit, so you've literally got everything for £200. So rear splats, side skirts, and it's not them horrible ones that have like the shark fins. I can't stand the shark fins. They look cheap, they look bad. I don't like them at all. Everyone's preference really, but other than that, this is the end of the video. Obviously, I'm hoping I can get more in. I'm looking for more stuff. I will be doing like spacers and that. And also, before I actually leave this video, by looking what I've put on the car so far, it's obviously everyone's preference, but I personally, I won't really go for low in this car. Since from the experience from the Fiesta, I don't really want to go down that route to the point where you have to drive sideways on speed bumps and then go over the speed bumps, or if you're going to a car park and stuff like that and you have to go sideways or worrying about it scraping. It's enough room just to, like, the ride height, I personally think. You can get, if you really want to, you can get away with doing that and putting 19-inch alloys in. Something for me to look down forward to. I just don't want to drop it too low. I can't be asked with that hassle, if I'll be truthfully honest. And the stance on what it looks like now looks, Joe, I love it. I love this car to pieces. It looks mint. It's just everything. It's looking mint at the moment. As you can see, I'm loving the red interior. That's just me. I love the red interior with the white car, black, the gloss black, and oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. This car is absolutely a dream car. I can't wait to go furthermore with this build. But other than that, less of the talking. That is the end of the video for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I do apologize for not actually being active. I can't say any more than that. But yeah, obviously, all I can say is, obviously, hope you enjoyed this video as well as I did. I love the transformation. If you guys want it, head over to enquires and get those. It's absolutely mint. So grab some if you can. Other than that, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, rate this up. I'll be much appreciated. As a welcome back video. Let's get this video back up. Let's get to about 20 likes. If we get 20 likes on this video, that'll be a massive one to say welcome back, and also back in the vibe. Get this car back up and going. That's my goal, and I am back officially. So I do apologize for everything. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you rate this up. I'll see you in my next video. We're out.